Hey everybody, happy Monday. I'm just going to tell you what you need to do here for your week 3 playlist. So as always, you're going over to classwork. We're here in week 3 in this week 3 playlist. And here are the things that you have to do this week. So last week we finished up iReady diagnostics. That means now we're going to start working on our iReady lessons. So you'll need to go in and you'll need to pass a lesson on iReady. Make sure you pass at least one this week, and then track that in your data tracker. There's a video here that explains how you do that. Okay, and then we're going to be reading our library books this week, 20 minutes of reading plus that library book activity. For those of you that have already done this, it's the same as last week in week 2, but I'm keeping it up because there's a lot of people that didn't have a chance to get there yet. Okay, there's a parts of speech pair deck. We're continuing with grammar from week 1. And then, of course, that last step there is to finish that grammar practice from No Writing from week 1. So please make sure that you have week 1 pretty much all the way completed with the exception of grammar practice before you are starting on week 3. Okay, I'm going to say that one more time. Do week 1 before you do week 3, okay? And then there's performance assessment here. It's the grammar growth test. Only take this when you're ready for a grade, okay? I explained that in this video here. This is the growth test. This will be for a grade. And then once you're done with your performance assessment, there's enrichment activities, and these are these deeper learning activities, and there's a grammar hyperdoc that gives you some example activities to do when you're all finished up for the week. So that's week 3, and the reason why that I'm having you guys do all of this stuff is so you guys will be able to write sentences, but also write really good sentences, and it's going to set you up for success with argumentative writing in the future. So remember to follow your independent thinking sheets, but let me know if you have questions.